Do you need help with now?
I said taking this off my head.
Taking what off your head?
I cannot.
But I don't understand. What do you need help with? Asma, get up. What do you need help with?
I said taking this off my head.
What is this?
A sweater.
What sweater? I don't see a sweater.
Take it off my head.
But I kind of like it stuck on your head.
I'm a dark so young lady. Look, girl. You better take it off. Take it off.
Wait, do that again?
Take it
No. Lift it up again. Lift it up again.
I already did.
No, the edge. Like try to pull it off your head. Like that. Yeah. It's the cone of shame.
I hate it. Just take it off. Take it off.
Why don't you try putting it back down and undoing the zipper?
I
Ooh, that's a good look for you.
cannot. I can't even see though.
Oh, that's good. That's okay.
No, it's not.
That's not.
What?
Put it back over your head the right way. No, the right way. Find the zipper.